This 2010 Aston Martin the 5/8 Vantage is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Aston Martin Vantage Coupe Navigation System, front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, piano black fascia trim, xenon headlights with power washers, memory seats and mirrors, 19-inch quad alloy wheels, Alcantara headliner, 4.7L V8 engine, 6-speed Sportshift automatic transmission, keyless entry, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power windows, power door locks, black exterior, black leather interior, white contrast stitching, floor mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have, or ask us for detailed walk-around. We hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2010 Aston Martin Vantage Coupe is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, visit us at autogallerychicago.com.